We all think of the cloud as this abstract thing, right? Well, it turns out it has a physical address. Missile defense on data centers. Wow. I mean, what does that even mean? Okay, let's get into it. So yeah, the cloud is literally under attack. To understand how, you gotta look to the Persian Gulf. See, the Gulf has been pouring trillions into a massive dream, becoming the global AI superpower.
And that dream runs on this 2 gigawatts of data center capacity. It's the physical backbone, you know? But that physical backbone, it just became a battlefield. That dream hit a very hard reality.
Suddenly, coordinated drone strikes hit Amazon Web Services data centers all across the region, one after another. And the damage was bad. An internal AWS memo said 2 zones were hard down. That is not good. And you felt this on the ground immediately. Ride-sharing, banking, everything just stopped working. Okay, so the big question is why? Why on earth would anyone attack a data center? Well, Iran said it was because these centers were supporting military and intelligence operations, a direct link. And get this, AI running on AWS, like Claude, shrinks a 12-hour targeting process to under 1 minute. And yep, the US military is using these commercial cloud services for its own AI in the region. Just to be clear, we're not talking about some small server room. This is massive, hyperscale stuff. This was literally the first time in history a military has attacked a hyperscale cloud provider. A huge deal. So that abstract cloud is now a real physical target, one you can put on a military map. So what happens now? What does it mean when the cloud itself is the battlefield? It changes everything.